Mabuhay! I am Lina Miperong, a licensed language teacher in the Philippines. I graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education with receiving an academic distinction, magna cum laude, at Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology. I am a language teacher for 3 years and at the same time, an English literature enthusiast for secondary students serving the Dirindun Academe School of Technology Incorporated. I was also appointed as the school paper advisor and have appeared to be excelling in coaching the students for journalism competitions and have won in the division level for different categories. Added to that, the student journalists under my supervision were also qualified for the regional level for journalism competition. I also got the experience in handling kindergarten and primary learners. I had tutorial sessions for learners who are struggling in learning language matter skills and mathematics. Moreover, my weekly voluntary session in teaching children at church could be added in this experience. My greatest strengths are, firstly, I am a goal-oriented and a purpose-driven person. I prefer productivity than leisure. And I rely on my purpose rather than on emotion and passion because I believe these things are transitory. Secondly is flexibility. I acknowledge that there are distinct values other than mine, and I am open-minded to learn, adapt, and respect these values. Lastly is my critical thinking skills. I am able to think outside the box and evaluate circumstance before taking actions. My area for improvement, on the other hand, would still be my critical thinking skill. I believe that this is a complex ability that needs a thorough understanding and practice to become more efficient in work and in real life. Thank you for watching.